welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas day 4. So today, y'all, we are about to hit up Marshall's and see what holiday gifts they have in there. Okay, I'm giving y'all all these ideas to get these gifts ready for all these folks y'all about to buy gifts for. All right, so come on. Let's go ahead into Marshall's. Now, one thing I do want to note, y'all, is holiday hours for stores have changed. So stores are open earlier. It's Marshall's that I'm going to. They open at 8 a.m. I'm a little bit on the late train, y'all, because it's 9:35. So just gonna hurry up, go in here. Okay, auto wine opener and wine foil cutter. Oh, this is cool. It's really cool. $12.99. 4-piece set. Wine goblet. $14.99. A mini cooler. $40. Got a couple of coolers. Bath and wine holder and speaker. Oh, that's cool. It's $14.99. Never seen this before. Come on, Polaroid telescope. $30. That's a big boy. It's a big boy gift for somebody who's really into that. Oh, dancing water speakers. $20. That's cool. LED soundbar speaker. It's wireless. $20. Oh, look, a projector. Smartphone projector. That's cool. It's $19.99. Outdoor speaker. $14.99. We just have a lot of tech gifts. Party games for the holidays. Pop-up greeting cards. 3D cards. That's cute. That's different. $5.99. 2-piece set. That's cute. $30. This is real cute. Alright, done. They have all different colors. Sweater and hat. That's cute. Hand soaps are another great holiday items to gift people. I mean, we always need soap and lotion for our hands if we're washing our hands. And also perfume sets. Cute little mini perfume sets are really cute, inexpensive, great gifts. Or you can get the bigger sets that come with perfume and lotion. $12.99, y'all. And they got options at Marshall's. They got plenty of options. Y'all, the handbag selection. Come on, holiday handbags. We got the bling bling, the bling bow. You got black, you got golds, you got silvers, you got some pearls. Like, they had a really great assortment of holiday handbags. This was one of my favorite items. This little bag from Aldo that has little sparklies in it. And then, of course, you have your ball bags and all different types of clutches, which are great gift ideas. Now, beanies. Y'all, I talked about this in my other videos. Beanies are where it's at for gifts. Okay? Who's going to be mad about keeping their head warm? Who's going to be mad about a gift that keeps their head warm? Nobody. And then socks. Time and time again, I'm telling y'all. I know they say, like, you know, don't give me no more socks. Nope, give me socks. Some people need socks. The heated socks, come on, that's a game changer right there. You give somebody some heated socks, that's a game changer, okay? Because our feet be getting cold, man. All right, y'all. So these mittens, I think these are like super, super cute. They look comfy and that they're different colors. And then like you could free your fingers when need be while still keeping the rest of your hand warm. So I think that's a really good gift. And then also you have your hat and glove sets, your hat and scarf sets that you can give people. So y'all really gonna want to check out Marshall's for different types of items that you can gift people, which aren't super expensive. $7 right there for what, some socks. And then, you know, you got that one friend that loves friends, get them like the little box set, you know. I think that'd be cute. Also more socks. Y'all know that never ends. But these are holiday themed socks. Y'all know y'all love themes. And hey, if you have a friend that loves elf, they have some elf items. They have some elf socks, okay? Also, this is super cute. A purse set, like a medium-sized purse and a small purse set, or like a coin purse and a wallet. They have a whole bunch of different items for things like that. You know, $20, you know, for the friend you like a little bit more, you know, than the other friends. And then Vince Camuto, y'all know I love Vince Camuto, and the little puff balls on the hats. I think that's a super cute gift. People love to be stylish and wear different unique things. So I think, you know, getting some cute fur hats for somebody. And I like this set that comes with the over-the-shoulder bag and the hat. So come on, Steve Madden. Y'all getting real innovative here, okay? 2-for-1 special. And then this was like a nice little glitter bag. Okay, come on, neck pillow. For your friend that be traveling a lot, get them a neck pillow. And hey, a neck wrap, a 3-piece set. Neck wrap, an eye mask, and something else coming this. I can't remember what the third thing was. Hold on, I'm about to show y'all in a second. The third piece, is the storage bag. That's a really good gift too for people who may be having trouble sleeping or, you know, feel some type of way during the holidays. I think that's a good gift to give them for them to relax. Now this right here, this handheld garment steamer, this is a great gift for the person that is just always wrinkled. Like their items are always wrinkled. This is a great gift, $13. It's on clearance, okay? And then of course you always have like plenty of beauty products. Most of these products are under $10. You have head wraps, you have, you know, eye masks, you have face masks, you have like some bath salt, this sleeping mask, and pillowcase, $8. That's really, really good. Then, of course, the at-home comfortable socks to keep people's feet warm. Then you also have this set with slippers and pajama pants. Okay, we get real matchy-matchy. They did have an assortment of holiday pajama items. And of course, more socks, y'all. This sock game don't never end. And then of course, they also have, you know, of course, your chocolates, your mugs, okay, that already come with the hot chocolate, which I think that is like so cute. It's good for office gifts. Definitely for like, if you're one of those people who want to gift everybody in the office, I think that's a good gift to get like a few people in the office. Make sure you check the expiration dates on those. Come on, your holiday beauty kit. Okay, your holiday beauty kit. You got the Mario Badescu. I've used some of the products, which are straight. Oh my God, if y'all know anybody who loves like Scrabble, that's an expensive gift, but this is like good. It's like a luxury edition of Monopoly as well. I think those are actually really, really super cool. Then you have like milk chocolate Uno. They have some really different games that I have never seen before, like different spin on games. And your pets, we not leaving the pets out. We not leaving the pets out. Because if you're going to be coordinated, your pet got to be coordinated too with the holiday apparel. Okay. And toys. I wasn't going through these toys. Y'all know I wasn't. But for those of you that need toys, the toys for your pets and for your children, they all in one spot. And for the babies, they had cute little outfits for the babies. Y'all, somebody give me a niece and nephew that live in Georgia close to me, so I can like, you know, I can match with them and stuff. We can do real cute stuff together. This sweater was so cute. That little sweater set is so cute by Tahari. Come on, Tahari, baby. I didn't know they made baby stuff. Guess because I'm never over there. But I wanted to show y'all everything that was in the store that is holiday friendly for all different ages. And I can't forget about the men. Okay, we got some holiday sweaters for the men. One sweater, $30. It's a little high, but I didn't check the material. It looks warm though. It looks warm. Okay, so we got some $20 fleece jacket. Okay, so $30 you wouldn't get somebody a sweater you really like them. $20 you kind of like them. Then you could also get them like what are those, like the speakers or watch case if you know somebody like they watch pieces always looking nice and clean. That'd be nice, but I ask them before I buy that for them, or you know if you really know somebody, get that for them. Then of course you have your holiday, like your workout stuff, and then you have mugs, and then you have cologne sets for men as well, and brush. You can't forget a brush. Men always need brushes. And then when you get to like the checkout counter, you know they have other items, more mugs, y'all. More mugs for you to get for your folks. I thought this one was really, really nice. I love the iridescent. And that's it, y'all. I was ready to go. Whew. All right, y'all. That is a wrap on holiday shopping at Marshall's. There was so much stuff in there. You could be in there for hours, just like picking through different things that they have as holiday gifts, and their different price ranges from low to mid-range to high gifts. If that's your thing, you got special, somebody you want to spend over $100 for, they got that in there. So that's the conclusion to Vlogmas today. I will see y'all tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. And if you're not following me, follow me on Instagram, Social Models. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. All right, see y'all tomorrow. Peace.